Alright, so I was monkeying around with some of the different variations of products and categories, and um, I went through and made sure that everything was indexing correctly. And what you can see here is today's date, time, and everything. Nothing's in backlog. And then I went through the index process, and you'll see that nothing's in the status right now. So it had nothing to do with indexing, but what I did find was that you, for some reason, still have variations or store views set. So, for example, all store views, for some reason, you can come down here and you can look at content, and I added some ones there. It did not show up on the front end. So once I went into that, I kind of looked around a little bit more and changed the store view to, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense that why there would only be one store view, but it's probably because of the migration of data that we brought over from the existing storefront. Because when I come into this, I can make the changes there, and you'll see that I have ones here. So right now, you get the ones. Take them out, hit save. And with this kind of content, it should almost be immediate. Category data takes a little bit longer, depending on not as much changes, but what else is going on in the background. So with that being said, though, if you do change this and you feel like you don't want to use that anymore, you'll see all of this stuff is dechecked, and that once again must have to do with the existing data being brought over with the sort data and everything else that was in there. So you can go through and check all these, or just keep in mind that you can check this like that, and then the next time you come in, it'll automatically be the front end one, the all store views. Now in this particular case, though, if you're adding a new product in, you shouldn't run into this problem because it wasn't data that was migrated in. So if you're seeing that, then there's something else going on, which I've never seen that before. So let me know if you have any questions.